Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a SDP40 Athearn locomotive, at least I believe it's Athearn. A lot of the Athearns that I've worked with had the 4 holes in the bottom where you can see your motor mounts, and this one doesn't. It just has the 2 screws that hold it in. But best I can tell, it's an old Athearn. This engine is another one that I picked up along with the C-board from an antique mall for 15 bucks as well. I kind of looked it over. The shells broke in the back. The 2 little nubs that hold the back part of the shell on it broke off. I'm going to look for a shell here in the future, so I'm not too worried about messing it up. I'm going to clean the wheels, clean the commutator, and as you can see here, I'm starting to take it apart. And I sped this part up so that we could get through it a little bit quicker. I like to make these videos short and sweet to show you guys kind of what it takes to take an older engine or something that's maybe been neglected and get it to run really well again, or at least as good as you can without completely dismantling the whole engine. And if you look here, in this video, I'm actually going to show you what I'm doing. I'm going to show you just how much filth comes off of the commutator. You can see the end of that Q-tip there about with me cleaning it, how much filth is coming off of it. And I'm going to start wiping out the inside of the engine as well. This particular engine was extremely dirty everywhere. Maybe as if it sat in the dust or it got used a lot and just never got wiped down. The trucks are filthy, the wheels are filthy. It has a lot of, almost looks like an oily film across the whole engine, like it had been over oiled. You can see the toothpick there where I was cleaning the commutator. You can see the dirt that was on the end of that toothpick. And this is just kind of wiping off some of the residue that was on the frame rails. And there, when I'm wiping down inside the trucks, you can see some of the dirt and that's in there as well. These particular trucks actually had a spot where you could oil them. And you can see here as well, when I went to do the wheels, that's alcohol on there and me rubbing the wheels while it was running to clean the wheels. And you can see just how much better it runs. This one had the same trouble the other one did. It stuttered, stopped and started kind of when it wanted to. And you can see how smooth and slow it'll run as I adjust the speed up and down just a little bit. And it's unreal how much better that works. Cleaning your engines makes them last longer, run smoother, they don't jerk. This just blew me away again at just how little you have to do to get something to run so well. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you stuck it out to the end. If you would hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, I'd really appreciate it. And if you have any comments or suggestions or tips on better cleaning for other people to see, feel free to share them. I would be more than happy to hear them, and I'm sure other people would too. Thanks, guys.